Have you ever felt like you were meant for something more, but didn't know where to start? That's exactly how John felt. He was just like many of us, ordinary life, regular routine, and big dreams quietly waiting inside. But one day, a small decision led to a journey that changed everything. John's story might just inspire your own. John had always struggled to keep his daily routines in check. His bad habits were preventing him from achieving his long-term goals, and he knew it was time for a change. Feeling stuck, John decided to learn about how habits are formed. He realized that habits weren't just about willpower, they were a natural process influenced by the brain. The key to understanding habits is knowing they form through a loop, cue, routine, and reward. John decided to focus on this habit loop to change his life. He began by identifying his cues, the triggers that set his bad habits in motion. He noticed that his morning coffee often led him to procrastinate instead of getting to work. Rather than trying to avoid his morning coffee, John decided to replace his procrastination habit with a positive one. Instead of scrolling on his phone, he started using that time for a quick meditation session. This small change was his new routine, and it felt refreshing. Meditation became a calming start to his day, making him feel more in control. John's meditation practice became the foundation of a new habit. Instead of diving into work with distractions, he would first focus on one small task, allowing him to start the day with purpose. As he kept this routine going, he felt a sense of accomplishment after completing each task. The satisfaction was his reward, which encouraged him to keep going. With each small success, John's confidence grew. He realized that by starting small and gradually building up, he was creating a habit that was easy to maintain. Consistency became crucial for John. He knew that to form lasting habits, he had to keep going even when it felt difficult. Despite his progress, John faced moments of doubt. There were days when he struggled to keep his new routine, but he reminded himself that setbacks were normal. Instead of giving up, John decided to embrace the setbacks as part of his growth. He learned that the key was to get back on track after each mistake, not to quit altogether. John soon understood that building good habits wasn't about perfection. It was about learning from failures and continuing to move forward, no matter how small the steps. As weeks passed, his meditation and small task routines became automatic. John started seeing these habits as part of his identity, shaping the way he approached life. No longer did John see himself as someone who lacked consistency. He had become someone who could set a goal and follow through with it, building momentum along the way. John realized that habits are strengthened by repetition. The more he meditated in the mornings and worked on small tasks, the easier it became to stay consistent. However, John knew that willpower alone wasn't enough. To make his habits stick, he needed to create an environment that supported his goals. John cleared out distractions from his workspace, keeping only what was necessary for his work. This made it easier to stay focused and avoid temptation. He also joined a group of like-minded individuals who were also working on building positive habits. The accountability from others motivated him to stay on track. Having accountability partners helped John stay committed. Sharing his goals with others provided a sense of responsibility and kept him focused on his progress. John learned to celebrate even the smallest victories. Each time he stayed on track, he would reward himself with something simple, like a walk or a nice meal, reinforcing his good behavior. Over time, John's habits became ingrained in his daily life. What once felt like an effort to do became a natural part of his routine. His transformation was gradual but profound. John realized that good habits are built over time through consistency and patience. To stay focused on his new routine, John set clear and achievable goals. This gave him a roadmap to follow, making his habits even more effective. Although John had made significant progress, he knew this journey wasn't about a one-time change. It was about continuous improvement and developing habits that would benefit him for years to come. Understanding how habits are formed gave John the power to change. Instead of feeling stuck in his old ways, he felt empowered to create the life he wanted. John's journey was far from perfect, but he knew that every small step counted. By focusing on the process rather than the outcome, he kept his motivation high. The more he focused on small, achievable goals, the stronger his new habits became. Each step forward fueled his belief that he could continue to improve. John also understood that habits take time to develop. He reminded himself that even though it was challenging, consistency was more important than immediate success. He kept refining his routine, constantly tweaking it to suit his evolving needs. This flexibility allowed him to keep growing without feeling stuck in a rigid schedule. Creating an environment that encouraged success was essential. John removed distractions, kept his workspace organized, and made sure his surroundings aligned with his goals. John found that having an accountability partner or group was crucial. They kept him motivated when his own willpower was wavering. Accountability partners weren't just about checking in. They helped John stay focused on his goals and provided encouragement when he faced setbacks. In addition to social support, John celebrated his progress regularly. Small rewards helped him stay excited and motivated to keep building his good habits. As his habits became stronger, John started noticing other areas of his life improving. His productivity, energy levels, and overall well-being all grew as a result of his consistent efforts. John also began to see the importance of mental habits. He practiced positive thinking and gratitude, which further helped him maintain his good routines. John's habit transformation wasn't about trying to be perfect. It was about continuous growth, learning from each step, and embracing the process. The more John practiced, the more natural his habits became. He began to feel like he was living in alignment with his goals and values. John's journey was a reminder that habits aren't just behaviors, they're reflections of who we are and who we want to become. By building good habits, John created a better version of himself. He learned that lasting change doesn't happen overnight, but with effort and patience, it's always possible. If John could do it, so can you. Start small, focus on consistency, and embrace the journey of habit building. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about taking one step at a time and staying committed to the process. As you work on building your habits, make sure to celebrate each victory. No matter how small, every success brings you closer to your goals. Building good habits will transform your life in ways you never imagined. Start today, and watch how your habits shape your future. Like John, you have the power to change your life. Commit to building good habits, and you'll see incredible results over time.